Now, actor Jacqueline Fernandez has reached the Delhi Patiala House Court along with her lawyers Prashant Patil and Shakti Pandey in the 200 crore extortion racket case. That is the latest update. Jacqueline is now back in court. Remember, this is in connection with the 200 crore extortion racket case with Sukesh Chandrashekhar. I'm crossing over to CNN News 18's legal correspondent Ananya Bhatnagar. Ananya, so Jacqueline is now at the court. Those are the visuals that were playing out. Over to you.
Well, definitely, Aisha. Now, Jacqueline Fernandez has reached the court. We would be seeing the arguments of charge begin in a very, very short span of time. And remember that the first in arguments of charge, the prosecution put forth its case. It would make good as to how charges against Jacqueline Fernandez, Sukesh Chandrashekhar, Leena Maria Polso, and others actually pan out into this particular case. And then, in fact, the defense would be arguing as to why these charges are not made out and why a discharge is necessary into this particular case. So this would take at least 2-3 days in order to actually pan out. And completely, what we are going to see today is that the prosecution would going on to make out a good case against Jacqueline Fernandez, against Sukesh Chandrashekhar, Leena Maria Polso, and others. But we'll have to wait and watch as to how things pan out in the court of law when it comes to the arguments of charge and whether or not Jacqueline would be put on charge or would be discharged in this particular case.
All right, Ananya, could you also elaborate on the connection between the main accused in the case, Sukesh Chandrashekhar, and Jacqueline Fernandez?
Well, the Enforcement Directorate has been constantly claiming that Jacqueline actually knew about Sukesh Chandrasekhar's criminal antecedents as in when she met Sukesh Chandrasekhar, and even after that she continued to associate with him. She was well aware of his criminal antecedents, but and it's exactly said in the charge sheet that in the lure of money, Jacqueline actually forgot who Sukesh Chandrasekhar was and continued her association, and none of her family members or friends also opposed to it because they were also getting financial benefits from it. In fact, it has also been said that Pinky, Rani and others were helping Jacqueline to establish a contact with Sukesh Chandrasekhar in this particular case.
All right, Ananya, thank you so much for providing us with that update. We're shifting focus because there's some more breaking news coming in right now.